Hey, what's up, everyone? In this video, I wanted to introduce myself and my company, WP Turned Up, and then we're going to get into what WP Turned Up's YouTube channel will be all about and what it won't be about. Okay, so first up, a bit about me. I am Ryan, the founder of WP Turned Up. I've been running this as a solo agency for about 8 years now, but I've been working in technology since 1997, as it shows here on my screen. I've been a technologist since 1997, starting as an IT professional at high frequency trading companies. Since then, I've ran my own IT company, a WordPress agency, WP Turned Up, and also multiple niche WordPress based businesses, one of which is highly popular, and that has to do with building directory websites with WordPress. So when I first started out, I worked for other people, other big companies, trading firms, and later moved on to opening my own IT consulting company, helping small businesses, working with who I wanted to work with on projects that I wanted to work on. And during those days, people would constantly ask me, "Hey, Ryan, can you build us a website?" And I would say no. And then the next client, "Can you build us a website?" And I would say no. And finally, I just got tired of saying no. I hated saying no to clients. So I taught myself how to build websites, and that just happened to be WordPress a long time ago. So since then, I've gone on to phase out my IT business and go all in on WP Turned Up, which, like I said, started about 8 years ago. What's unique about what I bring to the table is I bring that side where I was at a CIO level position even for a bit of time. So I reached what I call the pinnacle in the IT world, as far as the IT world that I knew at that time, which was being responsible for the entire network, all of the servers, all of the security, writing all of the policies, managing people, hiring developers, all of that stuff. So I bring all of that stuff to the table, but I also bring my passion for design and processes, procedures, and that sort of thing. So I like to think that I bring both sides of the house, the technical and the design parts. So as it says here on my screen, when you work with WP Turned Up, you'll always work with me. Even if I outsource work, and the only thing that I outsource at this time is custom development, which is a very unique service in the industry that I'm not sure anyone else in the world has ever offered. We'll get into that briefly here in a second. But even in those situations, the client is always going to work with me. They don't have to work with the developer, okay? As it says here on my screen as well, English speaking, I can read Spanish, I can write Spanish. A lot of Spanish, verbal Spanish I can understand as well. I would definitely not call myself fluent in it. I live in the United States on the East Coast in the Eastern time zone. And yeah, that's about it for me. And let's quickly go through the WP Turned Up services and resources. I'm not going to spend a ton of time on that because I want to get to the meat and potatoes, which is what this YouTube channel is going to be all about. All right, under resources, I write WordPress guides. I have code snippets that I've co-created. And then I have a product called the Business Project Template, which helps people build an online business from thinking about building it to selling it. So it's a project board built in Asana, and you can import it into other project management tools. It's got all the tasks you need just to do everything step by step. It's a really popular product. Very, very inexpensive for what it does. I should charge a lot more for it. And then the last step here is partner deals. I've partnered with well-known vendors in the WordPress ecosystem and some even outside. Basically anything that I find that I use or that I trust that I think will help people on their journey with building an online business. Okay. Services. First up is managed website. I'm basically your employee for a short amount of time while we build your business together. Okay. WordPress website care is next up, and clients can sign up for that straight away. But also that managed website service rolls into that after a certain amount of time. You can call it downgrades into it, but it just rolls into that. And then I look after their online business, the WordPress side of things, the technology side of things going forward as the trusted technology partner. Website support, I sell one-off hours. You can buy those in the size of chunks that you want for whatever support you need. Keys to hosting, managed website care are both include keys to hosting. People, if they just want to sign up for keys to hosting separately, you can do that too. I am on WP Turned Up is on a enterprise level plan with Kinsta, and it continues to grow. So that means more power and enterprise level features for less money. And next up is tech audits. I do free tech audits for people. So if you have a WordPress website and you want me to look through the entire technology stack for your business, I will do that. I will record it. I will give you action items to take away, and you can either hire me to help you, or you can do them on your own, or hire somebody else, whatever you want to do there. Next up is consultations. These are paid consultations. However much time you buy for those consultations, if you end up hiring me for any service, I will credit you back that amount towards that service. Next up is UI UX audits. I will review websites from how they're designed, how the checkout process works. Is there any friction? That sort of thing. There's a whole laundry list of checks that I go through. And again, it's all recorded for you. Last up is that really special service, custom development. This is not just you submit a custom development job and I go off with the developer partners and we come back with a solution. This is much more special than that. What I try to do is help customers, clients get their money back. So if we create a solution for you, we then turn that into a product that I can sell to help multiple people, more people out there in the WordPress ecosystem. And then for those sales that come in, you get that portion of those sales until you get your money back. It's 50% of every sale you get back until you get your money. So the goal there is you not only get the custom features that you want, but I try to help you get all of your money back. Okay, it's a very, very unique service. Again, like I said, I don't think I've ever seen it offered in the whole world. I've never heard of it. So I think it's very special. It's been very popular. Okay, so let's go ahead and close this down and let's look at what is this? Why am I doing this channel? What's it going to be all about? That sort of thing. So I have another channel for my other niche, WordPress business, building directories. I've been doing that for 3 years. So this isn't me being new to YouTube and starting a new channel from scratch and learning. I've learned over the past 3 years. I'm not what I call a YouTuber. My whole goal is just, education and awareness. I'm not trying to make money from YouTube. I don't care if I ever make a penny from YouTube for any of this stuff. That's not the goal. It's just education and awareness. So let me run through this list really quick. We've done the WP Turned Up intro. I've already said education and awareness is my number one priority here. Unedited raw videos, just like this one you're seeing here. You're not seeing a full screen, highly produced, highly edited, video. You're going to just see me turning on the camera, recording myself, and what you see is what you get, for better, for worse. If I make mistakes, if my dogs start barking, they start snoring, if there's a thunder in the background from a big storm that's going on, I'm just going to keep recording. I'm going to plow through it. And some people like that style. Some people may not. Some people may be looking for the 1, 2, 3, show me how to do this, and I go, just that sort of thing. That's not always going to be what's going on here. No sponsored reviews. No one out there in the world can pay me to do a video on their product. That's not how I work. It's not ever how I'm going to work. I do a lot of this stuff just again, for education and awareness. So if you're a vendor out there, if you ever see me doing it, if you ever want me to do a video, oftentimes just talking about a partnership. I'm not looking for money. It's more about helping my community and helping you, and more than me making money that way. If you ever see me reviewing a vendor's product, just know I am not being paid to do that. Okay. Affiliation. I am an affiliate for a lot of vendors. It's products that I use on a daily basis. It's products that I trust. products that I can trust my clients, when they use them, I can feel good about recommending them to clients and customers. It's all about quality versus quantity. It's something that I've really started here of late looking into, is the partnerships, going through them, making sure that they're quality, that it's just not partnering with anybody, that sort of thing. So there is an affiliation there. I will make money from some of this stuff, some of the things that you purchase. It doesn't cost you any extra to use those affiliate links. It just helps me help support the channel and some of the things I do, because I do a lot of work for free. So just want to put that out there. I'm never going to say that a solution is the best unless there's very rare occasions when I use those words, and I mean super rare. There's some instances where there's products that I use, I just know them to, like, they are the best. And like I said, I think I've used those words maybe 2 or 3 times max in my entire career. You see those people on YouTube that are what I call surface level professionals that know just enough about a solution to do a video on it, slap their affiliate links on there, and try to make money on it by saying something is the best when they may not even use that product in their technology stack. Okay, that's not what I'm doing here. If I say something is the best, like it's pretty much founded, like known throughout the industry that it is the best. Okay. Yeah. Last thing, I'll rarely use those words. So know when I say something, it's genuine. Education awareness, and I already mentioned that. That's number 1 priority here. And last thing is just keeping it real. I'm just a regular dude. Loves dogs, loves the outdoors, loves the simple life, loves bourbon, craft beer, camping, hiking, just a regular old dude. I'm not here to be a YouTuber. I'm not trying to earn a living off of YouTube and blow smoke up your ass to make money. It's all about keeping it real, education, and awareness. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully this channel is for you. Thank you.